how can I make time for exercise and meditation? I feel like our generation feels like they have no time, or they have, this short amount of time during the day. But I just want to again help reshape your mind to realize that you have all the time in the world to do the things that you need to do. It's just that a lot of times when we are on Instagram, when we're on TikTok, when we're on these social media platforms, when we're on Netflix, our time just gets blasted away. So it feels like we're constantly losing time. Is because every 5 seconds your attention is being drawn. Oh, let me look at this. Let me scroll through that. This person just posted. I got to watch this show. I got to binge this. So your time is constantly being taken away from you. You do have all the time in the world to do whatever you want. You just choose to binge. You choose to not go towards your goals. What I want you to walk away from this is that you have 8 hours to sleep. If you want to improve your lifestyle, your mentality, you got 8 hours to sleep, 8 to 9 hours to work, and at least 7 hours to do whatever you want. Now you choose again. You choose to binge, you choose to go on Instagram, you choose to go on TikTok. All it takes is 2 hours out of the day, even 30 minutes out of the day, to either work out or meditate. And that doesn't mean when you first go out, you're going to run a marathon, you're going to run 6 miles. What you want to do is you want to take small steps towards your goals. Take the smaller steps. And then after that, you can slowly start to build. But what you want to do if you're trying to improve your life is not just jump headfirst into a big goal. You want to set the small goals and then slowly start to become accustomed to them. And then you're going to start to turn over the wheels in your life, and you're slowly going to start to succeed. But that's only if you put the time in. We have to restructure our time. We have to realize everybody needs entertainment, but at what rate are we're being gluttonous with our entertainment. We're just keep eating. You're just going to keep eating. You're just going to keep consuming. At what point, as a society, are we going to stop doing that and start creating, start living healthy, start meditating, focus on the more important things? If you just keep eating, you just keep consuming, all your time is going to blow away. So when people ask me questions like this, I tell them you have all the time in the world. It's just that you don't want to do it. You don't want to do the work. You have all the time in the world. You have all the time in the world to be healthy, live healthy. It's just that when you get home, it's either a vice that you need to get rid of, or it's just yourself that you need to reshape your mindset on. TikTok is always going to be here. Instagram is always going to be here. Your health, your well-being, your mental is not always going to be the same. If you keep putting it on the back burner, you keep putting your health on the back burner, you keep putting your mental on the back burner, you're going to slowly start to manifest something that when it actually explodes and becomes a real big problem, now you're starting to think, oh, why didn't I do this? Why didn't I do that? You got to start right now. You got to start right now while it's small. You got to stop procrastinating with your life. Once you stop procrastinating with your life and actually start moving forward with your goals, you'll realize how it wasn't that hard to achieve your goals. It wasn't that hard. You just have to put the 5% every single day. You want it to be that you just take one big swing and then you're a success. You post one thing and you're a success overnight. That's not how life works. That's not how talent gets developed. You want to develop your talent day in and day out. Just keep going at it, chipping at it day by day by day. So when you finally build something, you can look up to it. But you can't do that if your mentality is that you can just take one big swing at life and you're going to be a success. That's not how life works. So I want you to reshape your mind. And it's very easy. You want to be healthy. You want to improve your mental. I get that. We all want to do that. 5 minutes. You might want to start off by doing push-ups every day, some sit-ups, some pull-ups. You ain't got to go to the gym. Get accustomed to putting your body under stress. You don't got to go out there and buy some, white noise machine or headspace or some subscription. You can do that in your room. Just focus on your breathing. Get used to it. Get accustomed to it. And then you can start putting those finalizing touches on it. Then you can go to the gym. Then you can go, download Headspace or put some money behind it. But you don't want to put your money behind something that you're not going to do. And I can't push you Again, I can't push you to do it. It's just only something that if you want to do it, you can do it. But I want to make it so that you can. I want to give you the ideas. I want to fill your mind with the right things so that you can do it. You can live a healthy life. You can live a happy life. You can live when you have good mental health. It's all there for you. You just have to take it. You just have to work for it. It's sitting right there. It's waiting for you to grab it. But you just got to work for it. And that's it. Sorry if I ranted a little bit.